the timing of the classes will be, guys, 7:30 to, sorry, my bad. It is 8 to 9:30. Okay. It is 8 to 9:30. And now, like, let me walk you guys through few other stuff also. And then I will take all the questions at once. So we have these many modules in the course. Let me show you the modules first thing first. This is my Power Platform plan. So Power BI module, where we will be covering desktop and service. Power Automate, cloud and desktop. Power Apps module, Canvas apps, Dataverse, model-driven apps. And this is different module now, Power Pages. Then Microsoft Copilot Studio. Then Power Platform Admin Center and basic SQL and Excel manipulation. And project we will be building along with each module. Okay. And this is the day-wise plan that we have. Okay. And this is the internal plan that I follow for the sessions where we have every topic listed. Okay, so this is all about this, and let me go ahead and let me show you the workspaces also, the projects that we have built. And in my evening batch, like now, I guess it is about to end, and the people have created the homework projects. So, guys, they have raised the bar this time, like they have created very good projects. So, I'm expecting that after acquiring the skills, you will go ahead and you will also show me your creativity by creating very good apps. Okay. So these are few model driven apps that we have created. These are few canvas apps that we have created. So this is a recently created app, expense management app. View expense request, edit, delete, cancel, bulk assign. So all these things we created from very scratch, guys. So you will be seeing it how to create. This is canvas app, and then this is the model driven app. So how it works, like we will be creating one canvas app in the class, then one you have to create in the homework. Then similarly, we will be creating one model driven app in the class, and then you have to create one in the homework. Okay. So this is how the model driven apps will look like. Here you can see like we have embedded our Power BI dashboard. Then we have embedded the canvas apps. So all the integrations we have done. So look here what it is loading. It is loading the Power BI, right? So for this account, I don't have license. So that's why like it is, I'm not able to view, but I will be showing you in the power course how to embed here. Okay, so we are covering all the integrations also which are available across Power Platform. So this is how it is. So now if you have any doubts, you can go ahead, guys.
So do we get the recordings for all the classes? And is
Yep.
there any validity for the recording?
Yeah, so you will be getting the recording access for 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah.
Okay. Then may I know like is there any competitors in the market for this Microsoft Power Platform product for building app for all the competitors?
Yeah, so basically low code, no code as it's a different market altogether. So there are various competitors like Salesforce is also there. Then you have Pega, right? And then you have
Okay.
OutSystems. But the issue with those competitors are those might be solving only for apps, okay? Might be solving for only one particular problem. But Power Platform is solving and for a bigger problem, right? Because here
Okay.
you have this solution for everything. Okay. And that's why it has huge acceptance in the market. So Power Platform is the leader in low code, no code.
Okay, okay, sir. So then my last question, like, may I know, like, what is CRM means, like, coming from non-tech? I couldn't understand that CRM
CRM
concept.
stands for customer relationship management. Like suppose as you're from non-tech background, right?
Mm.
So suppose you are going to buy a car.
Okay.
Okay. You are going to buy a car. So you went ahead and you submitted a quote. Okay.
Yeah.
So now this is what for car companies, it's a lead, right?
Yeah.
Like you can, like you might buy a car. So now this lead will get converted into opportunity for them once you will go ahead and visited the showroom, right? So
Yeah.
you will visited the showroom, you have booked the car. So now it become a opportunity for them to sell the car, right? So
Yeah.
now once they will sell you, so that opportunity will be closed and they will be getting revenue from you, isn't it?
Yes.
So this is how, like, if you want to solve for these business problems, so you will solve using can this CRM. Okay, so CRM is nothing like if I now if I move to the technical stuff. So in technical stuff, we was discussing about model driven apps, right?
Yeah.
So it is nothing what it is model driven app only, but the main thing is like if I tell you in very layman terms, like it is similar to model driven app is building a house and CRM is buying a house.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So like if I go more, I would say deeper into this. So for building a house, the material required is same only, right? It you
Yeah.
will be building from scratch. But
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
buying a house, you will be getting a ready-made house which you can customize as per your needs, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
So CRM is nothing what it's model driven app only that you will be getting out of the box, but you can customize it as per your business needs.
Okay, sir. Done. Got it. Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah. Thank you.
Cool.
Indra, here you have mentioned this tie-up companies. So what does that mean?
Sorry, tie-up companies.
Yeah.
So tie-up companies means like KSR Data Vision have tie-up with few consultancies and companies which we can go ahead and refer you.
Okay, this is after the completion of course.
Correct.
Okay,
Yeah, before it does not make sense also, right? Even if we will refer, you will be able to clear the interviews.
correct. And also the placement cell, you said it will be weekly wise. So how does it
Yeah,
work?
bi-weekly, I guess it is. So
Okay.
basically, suppose you need some, you're not getting calls. You want to optimize your Naukri profile. So you can go ahead, join those sessions and get it clarified.
Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah, got
Okay.
it.
And
Yeah.
guys, I want to take this opportunity and like tell you about the few recent placements that we had from the current ongoing evening batch. Although evening batch will end on 29 August, but as of now, 3 4 people are already placed. So there was a guy called as Ramesh. I think you will, if you will go ahead and follow us, me and KSR Data Vision on LinkedIn, so you will be getting to know from there. Okay. So Ramesh was a technical support guy. So now he had cracked multiple offers in Power Platform development. Now he got around 120% hike, if I'm not wrong. Okay. Then there is one more guy called Arman. So he also got good offers and good hike. Okay. When I say good hike, it is more than, I would say 50 60%. Okay. Then there is one more student of mine, Lavanya. She also got good hikes with multiple offers, multiple offers. Okay, and there are like multiple people who got the what to say placements from all the batches. So I'm expecting like you will also put all the efforts which is required, and then you can get whatever you want from your career. Okay.